Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to request a refund from MyHeritage. Start by opening your web browser and going to the MyHeritage website. Once the page loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen. At the bottom, you will find several links. Look for the one that says Contact Us and click on it. After clicking, you will be taken to the Help section. Here, you will see different topics you can choose from. Find the option called Billing and Charges and click on it. This section includes all the information related to payments, subscriptions, and refunds. Next, look for the option that says Request a Refund or How to Request a Refund. Click on that option to continue. This will open a page with more details about the refund process. On this page, you should see a button that says Request a Refund. Click on that button. I do not have this button because there are no active purchases on my account. Once you click the button, a form will appear. Here, you need to enter your message. Clearly explain why you are requesting a refund. Make sure your message is polite and includes any important details about your purchase. After writing your message, submit the request. Then wait for the support team to review it. If your request is approved, the refund will be processed and sent back to your original payment method. Thanks for watching.